What's up, folks? But today we are listening to this tornado siren go off. Woo! Well, there's a tornado siren test for you folks. In Pike County, Petersburg, 456078910, Indiana. Might make that a password. Guess that's it for you folks. If you love this video, please hit like, subscribe down in the comments because you love this video so much. And don't forget to whoop people because I know that's good. And don't forget that I'm super still in tornado sirens so much. So thanks for watching, and anyway, because of me, please be careful if you scream. So that's pretty much it. And don't forget what you love for us. Anyway, this is me making these videos, and bye. Bye, folks. Woo! Goodbye.